Welcome to another session from All About EC Python Tutor for Beginners. In today's session, we are going to discuss about a little bit tricky question regarding the list comprehensions. In list comprehensions, if you want to find the some number, it means list. Okay, suppose I have a list, and in the list we have so many elements like this. Okay, I'll be having list something like this, and in the list I'm having set of elements, right? So what I'm going to do is I just want to find the what is the even number, what is odd number, right? So for that case, I just want I'll write in normal way as well as in using list comprehensions, which is better. You will understand why I'm going for list comprehension. Okay, let's write in normal way. So for I in list, I'm just taking if my I is modulus 2 equals to 0, I just want to come and print what is the I. Okay, then else what I just want to print, I just want to print a message called print hello. Okay, if it is not in a case such a way that I just want to print the hello world statement, let's run this one. I'm getting okay 2 hello, 4 hello, 6 hello, 8 hello. Why? Because in the first case, 1 is not an even number, right? So in such a case, I'm getting hello. After that, I'm getting 2. After that, 3 is not an even number, so I'm getting hello. Correct, right? Same thing, I just want to show in such a way that with the help of the list. Okay, I just want to show you with help of the list comprehension. Same thing, I just want taken. I will taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 7, 8. Okay, if I just write, and after that what I need to separate, I need to separate the only even elements, right? In such a case, I am using list of list, right? For I just want for I in what I in list, for I in list, if I what are the elements of I is modulus 2 equals to 0, then I will go and print what is that I value. Correct, right? So I just want to make a note such that I just want to print the elements in such a way that whether the element is separated by even list or odd list. Because I'm not giving any statement, right, to print that one. So I'm if I given the statement like even, then I'm getting the elements like in such a way that all the even elements has been separated. Correct, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. If you take this list 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, then among the list, we will be having a set of elements from 1 to 8 in that both even and odd are combined. So in such a way that whether we, with the help of list comprehensions, I am separating the even elements itself. Okay. I hope you are very clear, right? Or else I just want to create, okay, I will go with the if else statement also. If not, what I need to print, right? So I'll go on statement here. Else I just want to print like what I need to print. I need to else remaining things I just want to print, right? Else print I. It means it will print all the i's. Else I modulus 2 equals to 1. It means remaining things is odd elements, right? So I just want to print this thing. Whether it will it work? Yes. I modulus 1 equals to, it means first case, the remainder will be 1, right? In such a case, it is getting true. Instead of even element, odd element, I am getting true statements I am writing because this statement is evaluated to true, right? So that why it is real. It is evaluating and it is giving result as a Boolean expressions, true or false. Okay, I hope this is very clear. So in this way, to reduce the code complexity, we are going for the list component. I hope this is very clear for you. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. And one thing, if you are not subscribed till now my channel, please subscribe and hit that big fat bell icon as well as the thumbs up button that makes me motivated to do more videos like this way. Thank you for watching.